I don't know what to call this dish. All I know is you should make it. It is delicious, cheesy, and relatively healthy as well for when you need that snack. It's probably like a massive quesadilla, I would say. Very cheesy, very yummy. We're going to start with thinly slicing a red onion, and we're going to marinate the onion. Now, don't freak out, it's very easy and it's very worth it. So add some sugar, apple cider vinegar, and salt to a bowl. Give it a good mix and place the onion firmly into the bowl and just let it sit because we're going to need it later anyway. It's easy. After that, we're going to slice some mushrooms like so, and we will fry those mushrooms. Yeet. Olive oil in a pan, salt, pepper, mixed herbs in my case. You can use whatever seasoning you prefer. Just about 10 minutes until they're nice and golden like so. Then marinate the chicken with some herbs, spices, salt, pepper. I'm using basil and oregano in this case. And yeah, just fry it for about 5-7 minutes until the pieces are golden brown on each side. While your chicken's cooling off, prepare the rest of your toppings. In this case, I'm using olives, which I'm cutting in half, and some jalapeno peppers. I'm chopping the jalapenos pretty thinly. And then cilantro. And if you are a cilantro hater, it's okay. You can omit the cilantro. Don't worry about it. Use some chives or something. It's fine. We don't judge. And then a generous amount of cheese. Let's start assembling. So on top of one of the pieces of bread, we're going to add the cheese, marinated onions, olives, and cilantro. After that, let's put on the shredded chicken and some more cheese and top it all off with our mushrooms. Once that's done, you can cover it with the other piece of bread, whatever you're using, and pop it in the oven for just about 5 minutes for the cheese to melt, and douse it all with a generous amount of lime juice. Cut it and enjoy this beautiful, cheesy, delicious mess. Once again, completely customizable to your choice and perfect for when you need that scrumptious, satisfying snack.